Good morning, friends. We are en route to Brimfield. And if you don't know what Brimfield is, it is one of the largest antique markets in the country. We're excited. We're gonna take you along. We're gonna show you prices, show you what to expect. So let's see what we come out with. We'll show a little haul at the end of what we find and wish us luck. We made it!
Yeah, I mean,
This is a set of 6 French chairs for $240. Oh, this is literally my heaven. It's $119. That's actually good. Ooh, that's a good price.
Good, how are you?
See this table? This is the literal table I wanted for your office. The perfect size, the perfect material. I like these. It's our bed frame. $150, Andrew? Can we fit this in our car?
oh, the problem is also. I switch it off real quick.
So sweet. 1600. I love these. Okay guys, little update. Brimfield first impressions are good prices, especially compared to Round Top, but very disorganized. It's very hard to like have a system, so you kind of just have to like meander through the fields.
Yeah.
But first, really good stuff and great prices.
Oh yeah, a lot of stuff we wish we could buy, but we just don't have the space.
Yeah. Next time we'll bring a truck. This is like Round Top vibes. This mirror. Oh, $750. I love this. Only $260. I'm just imagining this leaning against our wall outside and reflecting like all the beautiful trees. How fun to have a mirror outside and look how beautifully distressed it is.
Oh, I was just gonna point to that.
Oh really? Okay, this is the big kahuna. Oh, this is a focal piece. That's stunning. Oh, that's cute. Shop fresh fruit. Friends, we are losing steam. Lots of tents, lots of beautiful things, but I am losing steam.
Did you say
Pro tip, bring sunglasses.
Yeah.
Place on Lewisburg Square.
That is so pretty.
It's like,
Now I gotta sell it or load it up. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. This little cabinet is the cutest thing ever.
It's that made to look like bamboo.
Wow, that's so pretty. This is beautiful.
whatever it is.
Beautiful. It's like ours, a little bit. Hello friends, we are back home and I'm ready to show you our Brimfield haul. I'm saving the best for last. It's a big kahuna kinda deal, so stay tuned. First, I wanna show you this gorgeous blue and white vase. You probably can't tell in this video, but it has this like perfect like bumpy finish. Like it's so imperfect, and which I love. I'm obsessed with it. I just love the shape of this and I love blue and white. And so this is truly a beauty. For those of you who don't know, we have a vintage shop. We sell all of our vintage treasures. You can find that at tazorihome.com along with other fun things, but this beauty will be coming soon. I got this beautiful sconce. I love the lines on this. We actually sourced a pair of these several months back, sold it to our friend Chelsea, who you saw her home tour. She has a pair of these in her home, and I just saw it again and I was like, I can't believe I found another one. The most beautiful lines, such a statement piece. I love candlelight in a home. I think it just makes for the coziest, most romantic lighting, and lighting is everything in a home. Next up, I got this beautiful silver-plated scalloped bowl. I'm obsessed with this. I think it would make a beautiful fruit bowl. I also think putting a flower frog in the bottom and doing some gorgeous floral arrangement with like wild flowers would be just so beautiful. I love having pieces like this in our home for gatherings. We can use this as a drink bowl, put ice and some seltzers in it, or whatever it might be. It's just great for serving. Sticking with silver, I got this silver hammered bowl and it has the most perfect ball feet. Another beautiful bowl for fruit, or again, another flower arrangement. I love finding beautiful, interesting bowls to use for flower arrangements, using a flower frog, just creating something unexpected and beautiful, and this is one of those. And one last silver piece, I've got this little silver like cup mini goblet bowl thing. I have something similar to this that I use for my flaky salt when I'm cooking, and I just think it's so perfect, so got that. The next one is very heavy, one of my favorites. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy, I don't even think I can show you, but okay. This is a beautiful olive jar I got. It is unbelievably heavy, if I haven't said that already. Oh my gosh, this is probably the find that I want to keep most, but I'm going to sell. I just want to get a bunch of lavender and stick it in this vase. It just gives that old, like, Italian kind of, it's giving like villa in Tuscany, and I'm so here for that. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Okay, and then two more small things before I show you the big kahuna. This adorable little pedestal bowl. Oh my gosh, it's blue and white. It's got these gorgeous lines. It's scalloped. It's like all the things I love. Oh my gosh, this is one that I really want to keep. Can I convince Andrew? I don't know. And then this next one I am keeping. It's this mug from the 1800s, blue, white, and gold. Some of my favorite colors, and I can't wait to drink a beverage out of this. I don't drink coffee. I'm getting into it slowly. So some sort of beverage. Tea. Last but not least, the big kahuna. Is that a weird thing to call it? This piece is special. This was one of the last pieces we found. We were like on our way out. We were exhausted. We came across this. That's how it is. Here she is in all her beauty. Guys, this mirror came all the way from a home in Geneva, Switzerland. Okay, the seller that we bought it from, they live in Switzerland, and they went to an estate sale. The people were getting rid of everything. They bought a bunch of pieces. This is one of the pieces that they were getting rid of, and it ended up here. This has been around for over 100 years, living in somebody's home in Switzerland. Think about the people, the amount of people that have glanced into this mirror over time. Like kids and parents and grandparents just glancing into this mirror, and now it's in Little New Jersey, and somebody's gonna get to love this in their own home. I just think that's so special, and I love how antiques really just bring such history and storytelling into a home. It's just so fun to look around and be like, there's pieces, bits and pieces of the world right here in my little four walls, you know? So that's really special. I love this. I love the color. It's like this blue and this gray paint that's chipped so beautifully. It's got this gold leaf detail up here and this little cherub. Even on the side, the detailing, and on the bottom, it's just so special. I also love when mirrors are distressed, when they're not perfect. And obviously this one has been around for a while. It's distressed, it's got specks, but I just think that adds to the character. We hope you loved coming along with us to Brimfield. We hope it inspires you to take a trip to Brimfield next time. Let us know your favorite finds from this haul. If you want to be notified when any of these pieces come to our shop, make sure to sign up for our newsletter via the link below to zorihome.com. You will get notified as soon as these drop to our shop. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.